The movie Parinita is a musical extravaganza. It talks about childhood friends turned, you can say, lovers, and eventually they got married. It's Saif Ali Khan and Vidya Balan. Both of them grew up together, but Saif was from a royal family. His father also was a rich man, but she was just she used to stay there because her parents had passed away, but they grew up together and they were very close buddies, so nobody ever suspected that any intimate feeling can even erupt between them. And they were always together. In the morning he used to always call her, like for everything, for every small thing. And the chord which actually brought them together was music. He used to make music, and she was also very fond of music. He used to play guitar and she used to sing piano, everything. So the bond which was very strong between them was music. But in between there is also an episode where Girish creeps in. He's Sanjay Dutt. He is actually he was stationed in London for many years, and then he's back in India. And then he developed some kind of feelings for Vidya, but Parinita, but she is not actually interested in him in that way. But he was filthy rich, and his sisters used to stay in the same house. And there's also Raima Sen, who has enacted the role of Parinita's younger sister. And there is also the mom of Saif, who is also has enacted the role. Hem Raja, she is the one who has enacted in many movies, and done a good job. The movie has a lot of songs. It has a lot of good songs, and the thing is that he kind of felt insecure when Girish Shekhar, Saif Ali Khan, he felt insecure when Girish was there in India, because he thought that both of them have some kind of like attraction for each other, but his feeling was totally uncalled for. He must have got some feeling, but she was not actually into him. And there was property issue. There was Heritage Hotel where they wanted to build the Heritage Hotel. The father, who was Mr. Naveen, he wanted to build a hotel there at the place where they used to stay. So there was a battle, conflict, property conflict, and they were almost chucked out, the entire family. And he was a savior that time, Girish. He actually welcomed them with open arms, and they were about to fly to UK, but she was actually very despondent because he was very angry with her, Shekhar, and even the property dispute and all. So it was mentioned that they will get married, Girish and Parinita, but actually she said that I'm already married to Shekhar. So in the end part of the movie, everything is sorted out, property dispute, and he takes a stand. He actually he actually breaks the wall which his father had got it constructed to divide the two families. So everything was hunky-dory in the last. Both the couples, where Rama Sen was married to Girish, and she was married, Parinita, to Shekhar. So movie ended on a happy note, and it's a must watch. It's actually very entertaining, and it actually teaches a lesson that we don't there is something like blood relation, but few relations are there which is not it is not bound by blood, but common thread bond binds it. 5 stars.